just wanna dance, I feel good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is happy and healthy and good and having just a brilliant time in the new year. Okay, so this video is actually going to be an undecorate with me and redecorate with me kind of video, plus a little haul of the new decor that I got for the house. Christmas is long gone, and even though it's my favorite holiday and favorite time of the year, I got to get those Christmas decorations out of our house and spruce it up a bit. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I do hope you enjoy. All right, so let's jump right in. Hey guys, so we're headed to the dollar store to see what kind of new decor we can find to put in the nooks and cranny of our apartment. We're actually walking to the bus stop to catch the bus to go down to the complex. I think the bus leaves in 3 minutes, and we actually live 5 minutes from the station. So well, I'm actually looking at the bus that we're supposed to take. So normally they park and then they drive to the bus stop. So as soon as I see the bus move, we'll have to start running, and it's moving. Woo! You see it? So now we have to run to catch the bus. So we are at the dollar store, Daiso. God, my hair is a mess. All right, let's go in. Okay guys, so before we actually start decorating, we have to go through our redecoration items, right? So let's just do a little haul of the new stuff that I got for our apartment. And I actually did not spend a lot of money to do this because we're planning on moving soon and we're not about to spend a whole lot of money in an apartment where we're probably gonna have to sell stuff or, you know, move stuff around. So I went to the dollar store, and before you start in me, the dollar store has good items, okay? And we have two of them close by. Daiso, which is very international, I think. Daiso is very popular. And Seria. And in Daiso, even though it's a dollar store, they sell goods that are up to, I've bought stuff in there for 700 yen, that's about 700 Jamaican dollars or 7 US dollars. And yeah, so they have a wider range of pricing variety. And Seria, everything in that store is actually for $1, 100 Jamaican dollars, and $1 US and 100 yen. So yeah, very affordable, very cheap, very workable. So let's just dive into this big bag. All right, so our first item is a cork board, and it was for 300 yen. And basically I just want this board to replace the Merry Christmas sign and create a nice little picture collage on that wall over there. So that's what this is for. I also got 2020 calendar, you know, so we can keep track of the dates and so on. I mean, Adam's piano is becoming a little table over here for these hauls, huh? Alright, next I got a photo frame because we have a few photos I want to put in frames, including that one that you're seeing on my wall of my graduation photo. I think I am adulting every day a little more, and I am slowly passing the phase of using tape to paste pictures on walls. I actually think they need to go in frames now. So yes, I bought 2 frames. We actually want to frame another photo, or should I say a sketch that we got of ourselves on our vacation in Korea a few weeks ago. So yeah, that's that. And the frame was actually for 300 yen, so 3 US dollars. I bought it in Daiso. I got a wall clock because in the mornings or just about any time when we're either in bed or our phones are charging and so on, we would like to be able to tell the time without having to, you know, get up from the bed, get the phone, know the time. I mean, the time does show on our television once it's on, but otherwise we have to get our phone. So I decided to buy a wall clock, and we'll find a new home for it soon. Yeah. All right, next, this is the other photo frame. This one is actually for the graduation picture on the wall, and this frame was for 100 yen, so $1. So that's the difference. This one was for 300 yen, this one was for 100 yen, so the price varies. All right, so next up, I also got a few things from Seria, but we'll get to that in a little while. Next up in our Daiso bag is this soap dispenser for our dishwashing liquid. As I said, I am adulting a little bit more every day, and every day I find changes around the house that I like to make, and not having dishwashing soap in the actual dishwashing soap, you know, container is something that I'm interested in. I want to get cute little bottles like these to, you know, pump my soap. Maybe a little extra, but that's how I'm feeling these days. Okay, next we have some stainless steel hooks, and these are very helpful. Actually, I have not seen these in Jamaica while I was living there, while growing up, but let me tell you something, these hooks come in very handy. And I think based on how Japanese houses and apartments are structured, they are very good. I mean, we're obviously renting, we won't be staying here forever, and you know, you want little things in and around your apartment, which you will see when we start decorating and so on. These hooks, they are adhesive hooks. You tear tape, you tape them to the wall, and it stays right there. It does not move, and it helps to keep things, you know, up and running whilst not driving nails and, you know, screwing stuff into your wall, damaging your surface. So I got 5 of these. I hope they'll do, but I do have other hooks in the house that I plan to utilize with the other decorations. All right, next I got 2 garlands to spice up somewhere. As I said, we'll find a home for all of these a little later, but yeah. And these were 100 yen. Alright, I just took out a bunch of stuff. We'll go through them. Alright, and these, or this, I got 2 of them, is aroma oil for the humidifier, the oil diffuser that I got. I have shown this in my what I got for Christmas video. I'll link it right up the top. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. So these are aroma oil so that I can, you know, spice up the smell in this apartment a little, and they're in the scent peppermint and rose. And I've been using lavender since I got the diffuser. Alright, next up is actually some push pins for the cardboard, because we have, as you can see right here, we have a bunch of Polaroid pictures that we took in Korea on our vacation, and I want to put them up. This is not the home for them, so I bought push pins so that we can put them in the cardboard once it's up and running. And this is a little wood wall bar, so just hang it up, and then I don't know if you can see the demonstration picture here. It just goes on your wall, and you can put pictures in it, or you can put flowers in it or so. So I might try to put one of the garlands in this somewhere, maybe under the clock or something. We'll see. Next, and the very last item from Daiso is this fragrance spray. And this is funny, and I'm showing this to you just to let you be aware of how Japan is very specific with their products. So this spray says fragrance spray for toilet, not anywhere else, for toilet. I don't need to explain what that means. You know, you use spray. We're not gonna talk about this, but very specific stuff, huh? All right, so that's it for the Daiso haul, but I did pick up a few more things in Seria, and that is the All Things $1 store. So let's go into that bag. I actually did not get much, maybe about 5 items. So the first item is actually just some clear transparent tablecloth. You know, when you put your tablecloth on your table, you put the transparent one over it to protect it a little bit. I just got that. I also got new tablecloth because, as you'll see coming up, I still have our Christmas tablecloth on our dining table. So yes, this is just a marble patterned tablecloth, and as I said, it's 100 yen. It's cheap, but it works. And next we have another little pretty garland. I think this is kind of spring-like, and of course we're going into spring, so it wouldn't hurt. And I want to use this as a replacement for the wreath on our closet door. Alright, next I actually bought a little journal, and this journal is basically a monthly outline kind of journal. So it looks like this with the month lined out, and this just says 2019 because it starts from October 2019 to December 2020. So obviously I won't be using this part of it, but just to show you. And in this book I want to basically plan out my videos, my posting dates, which videos I'm going to post. Actually, I'm going to try to post every Wednesday Jamaican time, and that's about Wednesday morning Jamaican time, which is about Wednesday night my time, after I get in from work and settle down a bit. So I want to make note of that, which videos I'm posting, when I'm editing what, and so on. So I got this little book, and it's for $100. Come on. All right, next, I just plop it down, man. Jamaican in me. Next, I just got a simple table runner. So I'll see how this looks with the marble tablecloth. And so yeah, that's it for our little haul. So let's get decorating or undecorating and redecorating. All right.
Oh,